Hi everybody, this is Jurek. I'm back in Anchorage, Alaska. What do I want to talk about today? Getting that first deal or getting that next deal. Sometimes people start and want to be a real estate investor and they think it's too hard, or other people give them a hard time, or other people tell them why they can't do it, or other people tell them why the market's not right now to be a real estate investor. Well, here's the thing I want to tell you. It's okay to hear what people say. You just always don't have to listen to them. Because if you're tired of your current situation, if you're thinking that you want more, what is really holding you back? But the thing I want to tell you, don't put so much pressure to do your first deal or that next deal. Just keep on doing all the right things and it'll happen. Are you doing bandit signs? Are you looking for unlisted properties? Are you meeting a lot of realtors? Are you out there doing what other people aren't doing so you can find deals that other people can't? If you keep it up, I'm telling you, things are gonna happen. It's in the numbers. Maybe it's that next call, maybe it's that next offer. Don't quit, don't give up, because I know you can do it, okay? Go make your dreams a reality. Believe and achieve. Take care now. Bye-bye.